Simplifying your English. Switching from phrasal verbs to single verbs. Hello language learners. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of phrasal verbs. Specifically, we'll discuss how to replace phrasal verbs with single-word verbs in compound complex sentences. This is a great way to diversify your language skills and give your English a more formal touch. Phrasal verbs are a type of verb phrase that consists of a verb followed by a preposition or an adverb. They often have meanings that are different from the individual words. For instance, give up means to quit or surrender, which isn't immediately clear if you only consider give and up separately. On the other hand, single-word verbs can often replace these phrasal verbs. For example, you can replace give up with surrender. The advantage is that single-word verbs often sound more formal and academic. Compound complex sentences contain at least two independent clauses and one or more dependent clauses. Here's an example. I forgot my umbrella, so I had to run back and get it, even though I was already late. The phrasal verb in this sentence is run back. Understanding and identifying such phrasal verbs in complex sentences is crucial to replacing them effectively. Now that we can identify phrasal verbs, let's learn to replace them. Continuing with our previous example, I forgot my umbrella, so I had to run back and get it, even though I was already late. We can replace run back with return. The sentence becomes, I forgot my umbrella, so I had to return and get it, even though I was already late. This may seem simple, but it's an essential skill in refining your English language proficiency. Let's try some examples together. Phrasal verb. I looked up the information, but I didn't write it down and now I've forgotten. Single-word verb. I researched the information, but I didn't record it and now I've forgotten. Your turn. Try replacing the phrasal verbs in this sentence. I woke up early, worked out, and then sat down to a healthy breakfast. Great job today, language learners! I hope this video helps you understand how to replace phrasal verbs with single-word verbs in compound complex sentences. Keep practicing this, and you'll soon find your English sounding more refined and formal. Until next time, happy learning!